Dr. Livingston's 28-Day Keto Challenge. Let me tell you a story. Two women, each 41, tried the keto diet. One shed several pounds in a week by eating perfectly. But then she went out and drank a margarita, and it was downhill from there. The second woman was also strict at first. She lost a few pounds the first week. And also went out to eat, but somehow nothing derailed her. She lost 11 pounds in 14 days. And felt unstoppable. There were no slip-ups and she was down 21 pounds within 4 weeks. 1 Keto Diet Basics. To get started, you'll learn the basics of the keto diet, how it was developed, how it works, 13 tips for success, foods to enjoy, and more. 2 Eating well on keto. In this guide, you'll get 10 breakfast recipes, 14 lunch recipes, and 14 dinner recipes, plus a companion 28-day meal plan calendar. 3 Staying in ketosis. You'll learn how to get into ketosis in as little as 3 days, how to know if you're in ketosis, and much more. 4 Mastering macros. Learn how to calculate your macronutrients and maintain the proper ratios to stay in ketosis. 5 Beating keto flu. What the keto flu is and how to make it go away quickly if you experience any symptoms. 6 Intermittent fasting. Learn about 5 different styles of intermittent fasting to kickstart ketosis and accelerate fat loss. 7 Social situations. Discover healthy ways of dealing with social pressures. Includes tips for eating out and guidelines for drinking alcohol. This is what makes weight loss sustainable. 8 Guilt-free desserts. This cookbook contains 36 mouth-watering, fat bomb recipes that will satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping you in ketosis. 9 Yummy avocado recipes. Discover 5 unique keto-friendly ways to prepare avocados. Yum! 10 Keto supplements guide. Learn about 12 of the best keto supplements that will help you transition to ketosis and make the ketogenic diet more effective. Start your 28-day keto challenge right now.